Welcome to USA Green Card Approved, your trusted guide to U.S. immigration success. Looking to get a U.S. green card? Whether you're applying through family, work, as an international student, a religious worker, or as a victim of abuse under VAWA, we share clear information, real stories, and step-by-step help made for you. We simplify the process and equip you with information approval of your green card. Subscribe now. Your journey starts here.
Once your case is submitted to USCIS, there is that adrenaline in you. You want to hear something. You want a decision as quick as possible. And of course, you want a positive decision. Guys, there is a strategy for getting quick decision on your EB-1A application or even your EB-2 NIW petition. Today, I'm going to be showing you that strategy. You want to make sure that you listen to this video from the beginning to the end. You never want to miss this video for anything. Guys, my name is Gertrude Onuoha. I am an immigration attorney. I represent clients within and outside the United States, and I'm licensed from the state of New York. Today, I'm going to be talking about how to fast track your EB-2 NIW. Guys, you need to understand that people from different parts of the world are making applications to become permanent residents of the United States in different ways and manners. There are different pathways, right? But today I'm just talking about the EB-1A green card pathway, how you can actually fast track it. Because there is a method for doing that, and that's a very good thing. And that method is what I call the premium processing pathway. There is a pathway created by the government, which is called premium processing. So it's premium because you are paying top dollar for them to adjudicate your case. Now, let's get one thing very clear. What premium processing is not. Premium processing does not mean that your case has been approved, okay? It does not mean that your case will be approved. It only means that they're going to give your case priority. That means your case will be taken from the regular line, if you permit me to use that word, if there's anything like a regular line, and taken to the fast track line. And you have to pay top dollar for that. It's not a free service, okay? So the biggest advantage of the premium processing is that USCIS guarantees a quick response. A quick response. Please don't mistake that for an approval, okay? So a response here could be any of three things. It could be an approval, which is what we really want. Imagine your case being approved within like 45 days. That's amazing, right? You could get an approval. You could get a denial, request for evidence, okay? So, and the thing is, even if you get a request for evidence, you are getting within a record time, unlike if it's in the regular processing queue, okay? So there are many reasons why people want the premium processing. You understand? Number one, a lot of my clients want it because they want to know that their case has been approved. Even when visas are not available, like the EB-2, they tell me, Ms. Ono, I want premium processing. And I'm like, even if your case gets approved, you're not getting a green card. You're still going to have to wait until green card becomes available. And they are like, yes, we're willing to wait, but we feel good knowing that, okay, the heavy lifting has been done. My case has been approved. I'm only just waiting for green card to be available. So it brings that joy, it brings that gladness. And then even for cases where green card is available, like for example, the EB-1, it helps in fast tracking your case. Imagine if your case is approved within 45 days, right? It means you can now go on to apply for your green card. I spoke about a material scientist engineering case, and I'm going to link that up here. The case was approved. He got his green card within 7 months plus. I mean, that's amazing. That's really, really amazing. So the benefit of premium processing cannot be, yeah, diminished. It's really a good thing if you can afford it. If you can afford it, it will help you in your planning, because some, especially international students, they need to plan. They need to sort of know where they stand with things. And sometimes people want to take up new jobs. The employers are asking questions. Sometimes status about to be expired, so people have to take decisions with regards to premium processing. If your visa is about to expire, or you need to start on a new job soon, or you're switching from one visa to the other, or just people have different reasons why they need premium processing. In any case, who wants to be in the immigration system forever? You want your case to be adjudicated, and you want to get a decision as quick as possible. Even if it's a denial you get, at least that will help you know where you stand with regards to your status and your next step. So, premium processing is a very good thing. Now, when it comes to premium processing, understand that the turnaround time for different cases is something that you should pay attention to. I'm only focused right now on EB1 and EB2 cases. Also, note that if you receive what is called a request for evidence and you have a premium case, so what that means is that by the time you respond, the timeline is going to reset. Okay, so they said 45 days, right, for EB to NIW cases. So if you get a request for evidence and they give you like maybe 80 days or 87 days, right, by the time you submit, that 45 days will start counting again. All right, you still at an advantage because they are still obligated adjudicate even your response to the RFE, because you are paying for the premium processing. Now, the cost of premium processing as of today, when this video was recorded, $2,805. That's a lot of money. You understand? So keep in mind that you are paying that amount separate from the filing fees, because clients always ask me, the I-140, do we still have to pay the $715? Yes, you have to pay the $715 if you're doing green card application, like a concurrent application. So you'll be paying for your asylum fee of $300. You'll be paying your I-140 fee. You also be paying for your I-485. You are doing concurrent filing. Then you pay your $2,805. So this $2,805 is not included in the filing fees for other petitions. It's a separate service only. So pay attention to that. Also note that premium processing is something that you don't have to do it if you don't want to do it. Okay? Don't feel obligated. It's a case by case basis. If you don't have the money, you don't have to do it. Some persons even believe that trying to fast track your case might lead to mistakes on the part of, the USCIS. But again, we've seen lots of fast tracked cases approved, and clients are always very, very happy. So if you're considering doing the premium processing, you can do it while you're doing your EB2 NIW application, and or when you're doing the EB-1A application, you attach it, you put it as part of your packet and submit. Now, if you decide not to use the service and later you change your mind, you now want to upgrade, you can definitely do that. You just have to link up the prior case to the premium processing application. Guys, do what works best for you, but this is something that you should know that it's available. So if you need to use it, go ahead and use it. And if you need us for any of these services, feel free to call or email, or just go to my website, schedule an appointment. We've helped tons of clients when it comes to the EB to NIW, or even when it comes to your green card application. Once again, feel free to subscribe, also like and share, as we continue to provide very, very important information to the community. Until we meet again, stay in status and stay blessed. Have a wonderful rest of your day. found valuable information today. At the Law Office of Gertrude Onuoha, we are committed to providing you with clear, useful information to help you on your immigration journey. But don't just take our word for it. Here's what some of our clients say.
It was a great experience working with the law office of Gertrude Onuoha. She supported me all through my journey of getting my green card and was available to answer my questions. I will surely recommend her.
I had the privilege of working with the law office of Gertrude Onuoha for my National Interest Waiver Program, and I can't express enough gratitude for her exceptional services. Thanks to her expertise, dedication, and strategic guidance, my NIW was approved smoothly and efficiently. I highly recommend her.
I attended a Zoom conference hosted by attorney Gertrude Onuoha by chance. After hearing her detailed explanations and client testimonials, I consulted with her. Despite my uncommon research field, she and her team took the time to understand every detail. Thanks to their professionalism and thorough work, my EB-1A application was successful. I highly recommend their services.